So join me as we dive into the lesser known perks of FHA loans that actually could totally change your home buying game right now. Okay, FHA loans have actually been gaining a lot of popularity among home buyers right now, especially the first-time home buyers, and for pretty good reason. They offer a more accessible path to home ownership, especially for those who might not have a lot of savings or the sparkling credit history that most conventional loans want. So many people think they know what FHA loans are all about, but the reality is that there are some common misconceptions surrounding these loans that can deter potential applications. So one of the biggest misconceptions is that FHA loans come with high insurance costs, making them more expensive in the long run. But what if I told you that is not entirely true? Yes, FHA loans do require mortgage insurance, but it's not as costly as you might think, and the benefits far outweigh the cost. Another misconception is that FHA loans actually have a super strict requirements, making it hard to actually qualify for. While it is true that FHA loans do have some requirements, they are actually designed to be more lenient than traditional loans. Plus, the benefits of an FHA loan can far outweigh the extra paperwork of conventional. So some people also think that FHA loans are only for low income earners or people with bad credit. But the truth is, anyone can actually apply for an FHA loan regardless of their income or credit score. And with FHA loans, you don't need to have a perfect credit history to qualify with it. So that's one of the great things. And lastly, some people believe that FHA loans are the only for small, smarter starter homes. But the reality is FHA loans can be used to purchase a wide range of properties, from small apartments to large family homes. But what really sets the FHA loans apart are the lesser known benefits that can actually make home ownership more accessible for everybody. So for starters, FHA loans offer a lower down payment options, which means you can actually get into a home with as little as 3.5% down. That is a huge difference from traditional loans, which a lot of people often think require 20% down. FHA loans also are more flexible when it comes to your credit scores. While traditional loans might require scores in maybe the 700s or even higher, FHA loans can accept scores as low as 580. That is a huge difference, especially for people who are trying to really rebuild their credit. And if you're worried about coming up with a lot of cash for a down payment, FHA loans are also allow you to use gift funds to cover some or all of the down payment. That means you can get help from your family or friends to get into a home even faster. So let me share a real life success story of someone who used an FHA loan to achieve home ownership. So in this, her name is Sarah. She was a first-time home buyer who had been renting for years. She had a decent credit score, but she didn't have a lot of savings for a down payment and all the closing costs. With the FHA loan, Sarah was able to get in a beautiful 3-bedroom home with just 3.5% down. She was able to use a gift from her parents to cover part of the down payment, and she was able to move into her new home within just a couple of months of actually applying for a mortgage and getting pre-approved. Sarah's story is just one example how FHA home loans can make home ownership more accessible to everybody. She was able to achieve her dream of owning a home, and it just changed her life in so many different ways. So in this video, we kind of covered some of the lesser known perks of FHA loans that actually make them an attractive option for home buyers out there. So from the lower down payment options to the more flexible credit score criteria, FHA loans offer a range of benefits that can help you get into a home a lot faster. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below about your experience with FHA loans, or if you have any questions for that. And if you're looking for more mortgage tips and advice, be sure to check out my other videos.